Hello friends, myself Phylum Hemichordata. So let's begin the session. In the last session we learned about phylum Echinodermata. So now I will start phylum Hemichordata. Okay, phylum Hemichordata. So here in this phylum Hemichordata, this phylum was earlier studied as a subphylum under Chordata. Okay, it was a subphylum of Chordata when it is earlier. Early it is studied as a means 10 to 20 years before it was studied as subphylum in Chordata, but now it is studied as a subphylum of or separate phylum of non-Chordata. Okay, separate phylum in non-Chordata. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Here the reason is that hemichordates ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು mesodermally derived organ ಇತ್ತು. That now it is called as stomochord. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ stomochord ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, उसे अब stomochord करके बोलते हैं. पहले वो notochord करके रीजन से जो chordata में था, लेकिन now because it is stomochord, it is removed from the chordates and it is put under non-chordates. So stomochord क्या है? For example, if this is your this is your balanoglossus. For example, it is not balanoglossus, just imagine to be a balanoglossus. So this is the proboscis. Okay, proboscis, and this is the collar region, and this here it is your it is not this much height. Okay, this is your trunk region. So here stomochord is present in collar region. Okay, so the stomochord which is present in collar region, so it is studied as a Hemichordata phylum under non-chordates. So this phylum consists of all hemichordates. Hemichordates means they are small marine worm-like animals. Okay, worm-like organisms are present here. Okay, they are small marine worm-like organisms, hemichordates. They usually have anterior proboscis. Their body is divided into three parts. The anterior portion is called as proboscis. Okay, then it has a collar and a long trunk. These are the three parts of hemichordates: proboscis, collar and trunk. So here there is a circulatory system also. Okay, circulatory system is also found in hemichordates, which is open circulatory system. What is meant by open circulatory system? Open circulatory system means the blood is pumped by the heart into the body cavities directly in sinuses. Okay, so it is called as open circulatory system. It also has excretory system also with excretory organ. Which is excretory organ in balanoglossus or hemichordates? It is proboscis gland. Okay, proboscis gland performs excretion. Excretion means removal of harmful nitrogenous waste. Okay, so it is performed by the proboscis gland. Here in balanoglossus or hemichordates, the sexes are separate, means dioecious. And here we can see which mode? Sexual mode of reproduction. Okay, sexual mode of reproduction, dioecious. And here fertilization. When it comes to fertilization, okay, when it comes to fertilization means fusion of male and female gametes takes place in the outside environment, which is external. Echinoderms and balanoglossus or hemichordates usually have external fertilization. Okay, then development. There is indirect development. Indirect Development means young ones doesn't resemble the parent. Indirect development. So now the time comes to remember the examples. So to remember the examples of the phylum Hemichordata, the tricks or trick is Saccobalano. Saccobalano. If you don't want this, then you can keep Saab. Okay, Saccobalano or Saab. So Saccobalano is easily understood. Sacco is Saccoglossus. Saccoglossus, and Balano is your Balanoglossus. Okay, Saccoglossus, Balanoglossus. Scientific names. Underline is important. So SA is your Saccoglossus, V is Balanoglossus. Okay. So now this is about phylum Hemichordata. We will study the phylum Chordata in the next session. So thank you friends for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get further notifications. Thank you friends.